Hello everyone, my name's Julie, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be talking about tassels. So this comes with your rosette die set, so it belongs there, so it's this one here. Alright, that's what we're going to be talking about. So that's the die you'll need, and I make a thinner one because it's easier for me to roll up with my quilling tool, because when it gets too thick then my hands don't cope with it very well. Alright, so what I do is I cut it out and I bend the actual die cut in half, and then just give it a little gentle crease in the middle, and then where that crease is I take a pair of scissors and cut it in half. Now, to start off a little bit, I don't know if this one's too, no, that'd be alright, won't it? I'll grab my little scissors. Now, if you haven't got a quilling tool, you can use a pair of tweezers, one like these ones where you just press it to open it or hold it shut for you. Put your tape so it's not near the end of the die cut, so you leave a little space. Cut off a piece of length of ribbon, not too long, because I haven't well, I suppose you could do it longer if you wanted, but I found that this size is long enough, so when that goes in there, yeah. Alright, so we're just going to attach that to that double-sided tape. Just get a pokey tool, put my glasses on so I can see. Right. And just overlap just a little bit. Probably black ribbon was a little bit too, so I've just left so it's just come over to one side, but not very much, not side by side, just to overlap it a little bit. I was looking for the quilling tool. I like to put a little bit of wet glue over the top of the tape if I've got any showing, and a little bit along there. I'll probably gunge up my quilling tool because I made some the other day, and then start off oh Lord, I think I have actually, I've got glue in there. Something was in there. Let's have another go. That's better. It was glue in there, you know. That's why I left a little space at the end. And then start twirling round. Now by cutting it off in half, like I said, I find it easier, but lots of you will be able to do the bigger one. You don't have to cut it in half, you can just make a bigger tassel. But I just found it easier for me, because my fingers are not good. I haven't got that quite tight. And then this is a piece of ribbon, smooth all that out of the way, with some red liner tape on. Oh, come on. Took it off and it went back down again. So I like to start with the joiners. And just go round. That piece you can use to make the other one. So I've got another one there to do. And then you can slip them onto a paper clip. There you go. That's your tassel done. That's how you get your ribbon placement onto your tassel. And if you do a whole one, it does make a substantial tassel. But you could have different sizes, couldn't you, if you'd done it like my way, and then do the whole one. Because I did try it and I did find it difficult, but people that with their hands are okay, they'd be alright doing that. I hope that helps, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye for now.